Welcome to the AbundaCulture channel. The Bible provides pathways to abundance. God is pleased when we succeed abundantly and share generously. AbundaCulture uses the family homestead as a platform to provide 5 basic needs: affordable housing, renewable energy, clean water, healthy food, and safe sanitation. Thanks for joining us. Be sure to check out our AbundaCulture.org website and download our free training manual.
Today we're going to show you how you can test the water that you catch from your roof. Sometimes you want to test for chemicals, sometimes for biological matter, and there are several ways that you can do that. You could go to an expensive lab, and for about $300 you could have it tested for most chemicals. You could take it to the health department and you could get a test on most biological life that might be in there. But if you don't have those things available to you, and you do have some little goldfish or some minnows, they can tell you a lot. You've seen that I put the goldfish into the rain barrels that I just created recently. I noticed that there were lots of mosquito larvae that were developing there. And I certainly would like to see if the goldfish can take care of those larvae so that the mosquitoes don't become a problem. The other thing that I'm testing out is to see what effect the chemicals coming off of an asphalt roof will have. It's a regular roof with shingles, asphalt shingles, and if there are a lot of chemicals that come off of those shingles, I'm pretty sure that the goldfish will be negatively affected. And if it affects the goldfish in a negative way, in other words, if you find them floating, then the chances are pretty good that it might affect you in a bad way as well. So we're going to do the experiment, and I will put a little tag on here and tell you what happened. Thank you. Hello. This morning we're going to finish up on a project that we started a few months ago. I put some goldfish into my rain barrels for 2 reasons: to eat the mosquito larvae, which they did wonderfully. They took care of all of our problems as far as the mosquitoes were concerned. And the other thing I wanted to do was see if the water off of an asphalt shingle roof would have chemicals in it that would harm the goldfish. If they will harm the goldfish, they'll harm us, and the goldfish will die very quickly if they can't stand in that water. So I've done that experiment. It's a couple months later. Today is September 27, 2019, and we're going to go empty these barrels and take a look at the fish, see the condition that they're in.
How you doing, big guy? My big boy.
Oh. We started with 5 goldfish. Now we have 4 left. I lost one right away. All the fish are very healthy, and they've grown, about 3 times the size they were when I put them in there. And now, unfortunately for them, they're going to become kitty food. So, we have shown with just a few bucks for some simple goldfish that you can assess if your water's filled with chemicals that would be very harmful for you or for your garden, for you to use that water at all. We've also seen that the goldfish are great for helping keeping mosquitoes down. These are just simple little experiments that you can do, or you can spend $300-400 and send the water to a fancy lab somewhere. I never seem to have $300 or $400 extra dollars laying around. Hope this works for you. Give it a try. Thanks for watching. Keep your eyes on the sky. Jesus is coming.
We're all in a master plan. Though the things we do are just grains of sand. When these things are touched by the Master's hand, then our lives turn into mountains.